Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on creating videos with ChatGPT and Pictory. As content creators like us, we know that coming up with these ideas and creating engaging content can be a daunting task. And that's where these powerful tools like ChatGPT and Pictory comes in. ChatGPT does not need any introduction. Okay, in the last few months, we have seen that ChatGPT has been revolutionary in the IT industry, and how people have used this for multiple use cases. We are going to use ChatGPT to create scripts based on the sample ideas that we have, and how we can use Pictory, which is an AI powered video creation platform. Okay, that can turn those scripts into stunning visuals. And in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the entire process, that how these tools can be combined to create a beautiful video. So if you are a seasoned or we're just starting out, this video is for you. So let's dive in. So currently you see I am on this Pictory website. It says which content would you like to repurpose into video. So this is the dashboard that I am currently on, and Pictory provides 3 videos in free. So you can create 3 videos in free. Each of them should be 10 minutes maximum in the length. So it's extremely powerful tool, and I will show you what I'm talking about. So if you see their dashboard, they have multiple options. It says script to video, article to video, edit videos using text, and visuals to video. Now if you have a raw script, if you have a script that's what we are going to generate today with chat gpt, for example, in this case, and we'll have a script. Or if you don't have a script, if you have an article, for example, now either if you have an article, if you have a document and you want to create a video out of it, you can also upload that article over here. And we have also an option where you can create videos from your images or some kind of visuals. Okay, and you can also edit your videos using text. Now if you have a videos where you want to put all the text, you want to label, or you want to just explain those videos with the help of some text, you can also use Pictory in this case. And as I said, you can create your videos in free. That should be maximum of 10 minutes in length. Okay, but to create the video we need a script, and that's where we will going to use chat gpt. Okay, so you can see currently here I'm on chat gpt, and I'm not going to cover chat gpt because there are tons of content on chat gpt that you will find on YouTube or on the internet, that you can go and I'm just assuming that most of the people who are watching this video know how to use chat gpt. Now what I will do, I'll try to create a simple script about generative AI, or the role of artificial general intelligence in the next few years, after decade. How are they going to impact the human civilization, right? That's the some kind of script that I want to generate, and then I will use Pictory script to video feature to generate. So if you see, it says recommended for educational videos. Now you want to create some YouTube shorts, or you create some sort of videos at your workplace, in your PR or marketing team or sales team, you can use this feature, that you have a script and you want to create a video. Now that can be for your demos, your solutions, your services. You can use this feature to create those sort of videos as well. So now let's do some prompt here. Okay, I'll just play with some prompts. Okay, and then I will use those script to create a beautiful video using Pictory AI. So let's see that. So what I'm going to do now, I'll say, can you write a script for a demo video, for a video on the topic of impact of generative AI on human lives, or let's not on human lives, impact of generative AI on in the development of artificial general intelligence, in the development of artificial general intelligence, and how it can impact the society. This is the first part of my prompt. Now I'll also add a couple of more lines here in the prompt, and I'll just talk about the timings here. So let's also put that in prompt. The script, the video is going to be maximum of 90 seconds. So please, you know, generate the script accordingly. Do because I don't want to create a long video just to save some time, in this tutorial video, but you can play with it. As I said, that you can create 3 videos and each having 10 minutes as a maximum length duration. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to also put some hints here. So do include, industries like healthcare and for example telecom, I don't know, healthcare, telecom and financial services, for example, etc. services, etc. Now this is my prompt. So what I'm asking ChatGPT to write a script for a video on the topic of impact of generative AI in the development of artificial general intelligence and how it can impact the society. The video is going to be maximum of 90 seconds, so please generate the script accordingly. Do include industries like healthcare, telecom, financial services, etc. Now this is the prompt. Now let's see what kind of script it generates, or do we need to reiterate the prompt, or do we have to make the prompt again to generate a better script. Now it says it now writing the script now, okay, for us. Opening sort of a computer screen displaying various AI generated images and text, and there's a voiceover coming in, artificial general intelligence, or the voiceover is nothing but the narrator here in this case, okay. So AGI refers to an AI system that can perform any intellectual task, something. We are getting a industry also, generative AI which create realistic simulations of human organs and system. We have telecom, but the impact of generative AI on the society is not without its potential risk as systems become more advanced. So what I'll do now, okay, I'll just take this complete script and then we'll edit on the Pictory itself. Okay, excuse me. Now let me do one thing. Let me just copy the whole thing here. So I have copied this. Now what I will do, I'll come here on Pictory and you'll see, as we discussed earlier, that we are going ahead with script to video feature, and I will click on proceed. Now once I click on proceed, this you'll see the script editor here. On the script editor, the first thing that we have to do, we have to enter the video name. What is the video name that we are going to assign to this video that we are going to generate? Let me call it impact of generative AI, in this case. And now here it says start typing here, or paste your script using Control V, and that's what we are going to do. So I'll just do the Control V. Now once you do the Control V, let's see, we cannot use this entire thing because we have something that not required. Now for example, opening sort of a computer screen, let Pictory figure it out. Okay, so I'll remove this. I will also remove this voiceover. The first thing will be artificial general intelligence, or AGI, till this one, and I will remove this double quote here. I will also remove this. Cut to let that Pictory has to find out through their template or what kind of visuals Pictory is going to use to create this video. So I'm not going to use those voiceovers and all those words there that has been generated from ChatGPT. Now let me just do this. I will also remove this, cut to an image, and I'll remove this till this double quote, and let me remove that, and this voiceover is not required, so I'll also remove that. This looks good. And so what you have to do, you just have to edit here for your creativity, what kind of text you want to keep, what kind of script that you want to use here, that you can completely edit in this script editor on Pictory dashboard. And let me also remove this. I'll also remove this voiceover kind of stuff, and this one as well, and this goes voiceover. It is important, I don't need this, so I'll just remove this through here. And so why I'm removing this, guys, because these are not required in this case. Pictory will figure it out, and they will also create different scenes, okay, for your video, different visuals and scenes based on the script that we have. Okay, I'll show you what I'm talking about in a bit. and how it looks like on the storyboard. So they will create a video storyboard for you, and where you can also edit again. You can, they will give you option of multiple scenes. You can link those scenes as well, inside this video. Now let me just remove this as well, and so now let me just read it once. This looks nice. Now this is, for example, this is a 90-second or 60 to 90-second script, or a 1-minute script that we have, and you want to create a video. Now they have a feature called highlight. Now if you want to highlight some of the, some of the paragraphs or sentences or some keywords or words in your script, you can also do that. What I like to do, I like to highlight this. But the impact of generative AI on society, is not without its potential risk. As AI systems become more advanced, they may begin to replace human jobs, and inequalities and all those stuff. Okay, now this is what I have highlighted. Now let's see what else we can highlight. Okay, and in financial reference, I don't need this financial services thing. Let me remove these financial services. Okay, now let's keep it short. Okay, and you can play around this script, and you can play with this tool. Okay, Pictory. Now what I will do, this is I'm satisfied with this script. It also has a characters count, and also has a spell checker, and now I'll proceed with this. Now once you proceed, you will see templates library and my templates. Now you have your own templates. Now you're working in some organization, and your marketing team has a different branding guidelines and some kind of templates, and if you want to use those, you can also upload it here in the my template. You see this, it also upload in my template that you can upload. Now on the templates library, they have reference for you. Okay, you can take these, just on top of that you can create a video. Now let's see, they have, if you want to follow corporate style, you can take this corporate one. If you're doing something for nature, you can use sunrise kind of a stuff. Okay, here you are creating something for space and universe and all those, you can use moonrise or slate here, and you can use this a template. Let's see what kind of templates do we have also here. If we have Unity, we have metaverse subtitle standard thing. Okay, let's go ahead with subtitle standard, or I can also go ahead with this one unique as well. Now let's try it, one of the template here, guys. Now if you click on the template, they have an option called choose an aspect ratio, which is very important. Okay, now if you want to become a content creator on YouTube, and you just want to create YouTube shorts, some kind of news, you want to create YouTube short on AI news or technology news or latest news, or you want to create some comedy videos or any kind of videos, any informative videos on YouTube, that you have to go ahead with 9:16, because that's what YouTube short is expecting from you, that your videos should be in this aspect ratio for better quality, 9:16. And for desktop, for the higher end machine that we have, laptop, desktop or tablet, we need 16:9. Okay, that as an aspect ratio, any standard aspect ratio. So you can also select the way you want. So I will go ahead with 16:9. Let's see, just click on continue and see where it takes us to. Now once I click on the continue, it says please wait while the video storyboard is being created. So what it does here, guys, that it's in process of creating a storyboard for you. Now on the storyboard, they will create multiple scenes. You can have a look at multiple scenes there. Now according to your script, you will have option to change visuals, control visuals, you can edit the templates. You can do multiple things there. This kind of, again, editing UI where you can edit. It's a video editing kind of an interface. Then you can also preview your video, and I'll show what I'm talking about. So let it complete. It says it completed. Now you can see this is our storyboard for this particular video. It says estimated video duration, which is 2 minutes 5 seconds. Okay, and they have scene duration for every, like I was talking about scenes, right? You see how many scenes are there for our video. You can see there are 11 scenes. Okay, and I have no expertise in creating videos, guys. I'm not a video editor, and for even my YouTube videos, you see, it's very simple videos. I just record it using some tools, and I just put some thumbnails. But this kind of tool will also inspire you to create videos, because it's it takes your creative nature to one step further in your journey of becoming a content creator. It helps you create engaging content. Now you see, we have scenes, scene 1 to scene 11. You can preview all your scenes. You can trim video if you want to reduce the time frame. You can reduce using trim. You can add voiceovers. You can play around it. I'm not going to try each and everything which has been listed here. It will take a lot of time to do that. I just want to cover few things. So we have visuals here. Now if you are not happy with your visuals, no, okay, I don't need these visuals, you can also, change these visuals, guys. It depends what kind of video you want to generate. Now, as I was saying, that it also has a my upload option. Now you want to upload your own visuals, you have some PPT structure, PPT designs you want to upload here, you can also do that according to your guidelines, branding guidelines. Your logo you want to upload, go ahead and upload your logos. You can upload your textures over here. You see, you want to create some textures, some gradient, you can also do that over here. Now we have elements. Now in elements you want to put some emojis, some GIF, some emojis in the right hand side top, or the in the below section of your video. You can also do that. Then we have audio. So in audio, what happens? We have multiple tracks available. It says you can see 15,000 plus tracks available on Pictory. It is such a powerful tool. And you can see for this video they have already selected graveyard shift, which has been applied on this video. According to the kind of figure is out, they would have some algorithms. I don't know what kind of algorithms they are using to select this by default. You see they have filters like mood, purpose, genre, duration. You want to select some genre, you are creating a tech video, you can click on techno, for example. They have a audio that I have used earlier, techno. Here you can see. Now they have text. In text you want to use some heading, you want to use some subheading, you can also do that. Now they have some styles, I'm not going into the style. They have, I said, they have branding as well. You can enable intro scene, you want to put it something there. Then formatting on your aspect ratio. Now let's come back to story. And story, you can see in the left hand side you have scenes, and you can also link those scenes. Now if you want to link scene 1 to scene 5, you can also do that. Now let's do one thing, let's download this. So when I click on this video, what it does, it started pre-processing your video. So it will first pre-process all the scenes, it will merge all the scenes, okay, and then it will pre-process the high quality. It will render the video from this platform, whatever backend platform they are using. It will render your video and it will then generate the video. So what happens in that case, they have an option to run in background. So you can run this, let this job run in the background, and you do the other task on the platform if you want. Let's click on that, run in background. Now once I click on run in background, it would say video generation is in progress. They have saved in the folder. You can also click and see here, generating video, scene 11 generating or something. Okay. Now as I said, here are the scenes. If you click on this, you can see all your scene, scene 11. You can also add, intro and outro scene as well, as per your convenience if you want to use that. So this is the power of Pictory, guys, and we'll see the output here. Okay. And you can see just we have just invested 15 minutes of our time to create, or in the process of creating this video. If you put more effort, you come up with more creativity, you have some selected templates, or you use some good audios, better script, you can create outstanding video with the tool. I have seen my friends doing it, okay, and you see in the community there are a lot of people who are using this to create content and a YouTube short or Instagram videos as well, using Pictory and this. You can also upgrade. They have a premium plans where they will right now what happens in this video, that in the last you will see Pictory watermarks and Pictory logos are there, and you can also cut that with FFmpeg or any other tool. If you want to do it programmatically, you can do using FFmpeg. And if you want to use any tool, you can do that. Now it says generating video scene 7 generating, impact of generative AI. So what I will do, I will pause the video here and I will come back when the video is being generated. Okay, so you can see it's the video has been generated, guys. It says video generated, impact of generative AI. This was our video name. Now it also has sent the video on my mail, and that's very good because I got a notification. You can see over here it says 12:19, which is the current time. By the way, I'm recording this video in midnight. Now I'll come back on Pictory AI and I'll click on impact of generative AI, the video that we have generated. I'll click on download now. Now once I click on download, it will download the video, and you can see that it has multiple options. It says copy link, export audio. You can also export the audio that has been used in this video, inside this video. If you want to sync it later, you want to play around it. And it also has been saved under my project folder on Pictory dashboard, so you can refer it later as well in those cases. And you can see that we have received this mail as well from Pictory, that this is the video for the project title, impact of generative AI is now ready. Please download or share the video by clicking the link below. Okay, now if I click on this video, you can see this is the, I think this is a thumbnail kind of a thing for this video that they have embedded into the email. Now let it download, and once it's download, I will play the video, guys. So you can see the video has been downloaded, guys. So let me play the video now. So this is the video that we have generated. You see, this is the first. Let me first play the whole video and then we'll see it scene by scene if that is required. This is a very great scene. Okay, I really like this scene, guys. But the impact of generative AI on society is not without its potential risk. You see an asteroid coming and hitting an Earth, for example. They have taken a good visual here, by the way. I'm really liking the video. Maybe what we can also do, we can reduce the time duration for each of the scenes. It might be a little lengthy, but again, you can tweak that. You can play around it. You can see it's showing you cobots and double robots and cobots for automation that might take the repetitive jobs in the industry. So it has got the visuals right, I will say, for most of the scene. And this is completely we are not putting much effort, and this is free as well that we are using. At least we can generate 3 videos based on the script. I'm really liking it so far, guys, the quality of video that we have got. That's also it. You saw such a beautiful video we have created, guys, with the help of Pictory and ChatGPT. So we created this video with help of this script that was generated by ChatGPT, and then we used Pictory to create the video on top of that script. And the video quality that you saw, you can see it over here. Again, you can edit it. They also mailed you. You can also download it and play it wherever you want. You can again edit the video with some command line utility like ffmpeg, for example, if you want to do it. And this is just after investing 15 to 20 minutes of time, we created this video. But if we put more effort, we can create even better videos, okay, by using these features as well on Pictory. That's all, guys. I really like the video that I have created using Pictory and ChatGPT. Okay, if you also have created this kind of videos, or some other videos that you might have been using at your workplace, or if you are a content creator and you use Pictory, if you have any better tricks and suggestions how to create better videos using Pictory or any other tool, do let me know. So that's all for today's video, guys. If you like the content, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe it. Please share the channel with your friends and to peer. That's all for today's videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.